Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 22 simple equations in that exercise 22C. So let's discuss homework answers first. Exercise 22C 12th question. 2.4z equal to minus 4.8. You will get the value of z equal to minus 2. 13th one, 2y minus 5 equal to minus 11. You will get y equal to minus 3. Now 14th question, 2y plus 4.6 equal to 8. You will get y equal to 1.7. Then 17th one, y by 2 minus 5 equal to 1. You will get y equal to 12. 19th one, x by 4 plus 3.6 equal to minus 1.1, in that x equal to minus 18.8. Next, question number 25. 5 into x minus 2 minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 3. Here x minus 2 and x plus 1 are given in bracket. So you have to open the bracket first. So 5 into x minus 2. You can open the first bracket by multiplying 5 to inside the bracket. Okay, 5 into x, it is 5x. Now minus sign is coming inside the bracket, so minus. Now 5 into 2, it is 10. Next, minus 2. You have to multiply inside the second bracket. So minus 2 into x, it is minus 2x. Now minus 2 into 1, it is minus 2. Okay, here plus sign is coming, but minus 2 into 1, you can write it like this also, plus minus 2. In this way also you can write. Okay, minus 2 into x, it is minus 2x, plus, here plus sign is coming. Now minus 2 into 1, it is minus 2, equal to 3. In the next step, you can write this plus of minus, it is minus. Always plus of minus is minus. So 5x minus 10 minus 2x minus 2 equal to 3. Plus of minus will become minus. Now like terms, 5x minus 2x. These are like terms. So you can subtract. 5x minus 2x, it is 3x. Now minus 10 minus 2. You can subtract. So minus 10 minus 2, it is minus 12. Equal to 3 you will get. Okay. Now this minus 12 you can take to the other side, right side. Okay, so you know negative value on taking to other side, it will become positive. So you will get 3x equal to 3 plus 12. This minus 12 is taken from left side to the right side, so it will become plus 12. So 3x equal to 3 plus 12. Now 3x equal to 3 plus 12, it is 15. Okay. Now 3x equal to 15 means 3 into x equal to 15. So from this you are taking this 3 to the other side. So multiplication on taking to other side, it will become division. So x equal to 15 divided by 3. Okay, this 3 on taking to other side, it will become divided by 3, since here 3 into x is coming. Okay, that is 15 by 3, it is 5. So x equal to 5 is the answer. Question number 26. 5x minus 3 division 4 equal to 3. So 5x minus 3 is given inside bracket. Okay, so you should consider this as one term. So this you can write it as 5x minus 3 divided by 4. In this way also division you can write. Whole divided by 4 equal to 3. Now this 4 divided by 4 you can take to other side. So you know division on taking to other side, it will become multiplication. Okay, so how can we write 5x minus 3 equal to, here 3 is there, 3 into 4 it will be. Okay, division 4 on taking to other side, it will become multiplication 4. Now 5x minus 3 equal to 3 into 4, it is 12. Okay, now you can take this minus 3 to the other side. So negative term on taking to other side, it will become positive. So 5x equal to 12 minus 3 will become plus 3. Okay, that is 5x equal to 12 plus 3, it is 15. Now 5x equal to 15 means 5 into x equal to 15. So from this you can take a 5 to the other side. Okay, so here multiplication is coming. So multiplication on taking to other side, it will become division. So 5 on taking to other side, it will become divided by 5. So here x equal to 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5, it is 3. So x equal to 3 is the answer. 27th question. 3 into 2x plus 1 minus 2 into x minus 5 minus 5 into 5 minus 2x equal to 60. So here 2x plus 1, x minus 5 and 5 minus 2x are given in bracket. So you have to open the bracket first. So first bracket, it is 3 into 2x plus 1. So multiply 3 to inside the bracket. So 3 into 2x, it is 6x. 3 into 1, it is plus 3. Okay, here plus sign is coming, so you can put a plus sign here. Now 3 into 1, it is 3. Now next bracket, it is minus 2 into x minus 5. Okay, here you should take a minus 2. So minus 2 into x, it is minus 2x. Here minus sign is coming, so you can put minus sign. Next minus 2 into 5, it is minus 10. Minus 2 into 5. Okay, it is minus 10. Next third bracket. So minus 5. Here minus 5 you should take. Okay, minus 5 into 5, it is minus 25. Here minus sign is coming, so put minus sign. Next minus 5 into 2x, it is minus 10x equal to 16. Now minus of minus, you know, plus of minus, it is minus. Minus of minus, it is always plus. Okay, so 6x plus 3 minus 2x, minus of minus, it will be plus 10 minus 25. Again minus of minus 10x, it is plus 10x equal to 16. Okay, now like terms you can add or subtract. So 6x minus 2x plus 10x. So 6x minus 2x, it is 4x. 4x plus 10x, it is 14x. Okay, now 3 plus 10 minus 25. So 3 plus 10, it is 13. 13 minus 25, it is minus 12 equal to 16. Now 14x minus 12 equal to 16. From this you can take this minus 2 to the other side. So negative term on taking to other side, it will become positive. So 14x equal to 16 minus 12 will become plus 12. That is 14x equal to 28 you will get. 16 plus 12 it is 28. So 14x equal to 28. From this 14 you can take to other side. So 14x means 14 into x equal to 28. So multiplication on taking to other side, it will become division. So x equal to 28 divided by 14 equal to 2 you will get. 28 by 14 it is 2. So x equal to 2 is the answer. Exercise 22C, 19, 20, 22 and 23 do as homework. Okay. Next topic, solving word problems. This topic is not there for you this year. Okay. So this much up to exercise 22C you need to study for the coming unit test. So this chapter is over. Our next chapter is chapter 5, natural numbers and whole numbers. So first let's see what is a natural number. Natural numbers are those numbers by which we can count things in nature like 4 trees, 6 houses, 5 cows, etc. These are the numbers used for the counting purpose. So natural numbers means numbers from starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. They are called natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers are used for counting purpose. Okay, example you can see 4 trees, 6 houses, 5 cows. How many are there? That is counting purpose you can use these natural numbers. Now our next chapter is chapter 5, natural numbers and whole numbers. So first let's see what is a natural number. Natural numbers are those numbers by which we can count things in nature like 4 trees, 6 houses, 5 cows, etc. These are the numbers used for the counting purpose. So natural numbers means numbers from starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. They are called natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers are used for counting purpose. Okay, example you can see 4 trees, 6 houses, 5 cows. How many are there? That is counting purpose you can use these natural numbers. Now here are some properties of natural numbers. So first one, the first and the smallest natural number, it is 1. Natural number starts with 1. Okay, so the first and the smallest natural number is 1. Second one, the last and the greatest natural number cannot be obtained. In fact, there are infinite natural numbers like counting of stars in nature. That is, we can't find the last and the greatest natural number because counting numbers, it is infinite. Okay, it cannot be obtained. The numbers will go on indefinitely. So, we can't find the last and the greatest natural number. Third one, the difference between any two consecutive natural numbers is 1. Okay, we know that after which number comes after one number, we will get that by adding 1. Okay, that is 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, like that it will go on. So the difference between any two consecutive natural number, that means any numbers which are lying, any two natural numbers which are lying one after other. For example, consecutive numbers means you can take 3 4, 12 13, 24 25. Any number which are lying one after another you can take. So their difference will be 1. Okay. 100 and 101, difference is 1. 98 and 99, the difference is 1. Now 78, 79, difference is 1. Any two consecutive natural numbers you can take, their difference will be 1. Now fourth property, by adding 1 to any natural number, its next natural number is obtained. That you know. Adding 1 to 1, you will get the next natural number 2. Okay, after 2, you will get 3. That you will get by adding 1 to 2. 2 plus 1, you will get 3. 3 plus 1, you will get 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6, etc. Like that, by adding 1 to any natural number, next natural number you will get. Okay. Next, the fractions like 3 by 4, minus 12 by 17, 215 by 317, etc. are not natural number. That means fractions are not natural numbers, because we can't use fractions for counting purpose. That's why. Okay. So natural numbers means counting numbers. That will only come in natural number. So fractions are not natural numbers. Decimal numbers like 3.4, 5.28, 2.227, etc. are not natural numbers. So decimals also we can't use for counting purpose. So that is the decimal numbers are also not natural numbers. Okay, 0 is not a natural number. 0, that number is also not a natural number, because natural number starts with 1. Okay, from 1 only natural number starts. So 0 is not a natural number. Then fourth one, no natural number is negative. So none of minus 15, minus 3, minus 214, etc. is a natural number. So natural number is not negative. Negative numbers are not natural numbers. So any negative number you can take, they are not natural number. Then fifth question, if n is any natural number, 2n is an even natural number and 2n minus 1 is an odd natural number. So let n be any natural number. N can take any value starting from 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, etc. Any value it can take. So 2n, if you multiply n with 2, that means 2n, this is an even natural number. You will get even number 2n. Okay, 2n is an even natural number, and 2n minus 1, this will be an odd natural number. Okay, you can take example, let n equal to 3. Okay, so 2n means 2 into 3, you will get 6. 6 is an even natural number. It is an even number, it is also a natural number. So we can say 6 is an even natural number. So 2n is the form of an even natural number. Okay, general form of even natural number, that is 2n. Next you can take a 2n minus 1, that is here n equal to 3, so you can give 2 into 3 minus 1. You will get 6 minus 1, it is 5. This is odd natural number. 5 is an odd natural number. So 2n minus 1 is the general form of odd natural number or odd number. 2n is the general form of even natural number or even number. Okay. So this much for this class. Thank you.